Precious people, I welcome you back once again to the GeForce IT services on YouTube. Please, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can place orders, you can buy and sell data bundle as a registered agent on the gracedata.company.site portal. In our previous video, I revealed this website to you. I revealed the gracedata.company.site website to you. And in our recent video, I revealed to you how you can be able to have access to the available packages even if the site is not able to redirect you automatically to the available packages right after registration. I taught you how you can be able to have access to the packages. Now, in this video, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can place orders, how you can buy and sell data bundle packages as a registered agent on the gracedata.company.site website. So all that you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. You don't skip any part, and don't also forget to turn on the notification button for all. If you turn the notification button for all, you can be able to have access to our next video. You can be able to get a notification for our next video on how to become a data bundle agent, or our next video on how to place orders or how to do new things on the gracedata.company.site. This particular site was updated recently, so I'm going to reveal all the new features on this website to you. I'm going to reveal all the secret things that you need to do, you need to know on this website. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive right into this lesson by launching the browser that we are using. If you are using Google Chrome, you launch it. If you are using Firefox, any browser at all that you are using, yours is to quickly launch it now as we dive right into this lesson. All right, so I have my browser here. All right, so when you open your browser like this, quickly use your registered agent link and let's go to the portal. Let's go to where we can locate the available packages on the gracedata.company.site. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. You don't skip any part so that you can be able to understand everything perfectly without any stress and without any problem. All right, so I enter my registered agent link like this to have access to the available packages. All right, so when you use the registered agent link to log into the portal, this is the first thing that you see. As I said in our previous video, that when you use the registered link, this is the interface that will pop up for you. This is the interface that you see here. So the next button that you see is the contact us button, and below are the packages available. We have the MTN here from 1 gig to 50 gig, then the Airtel Tigo from 1 gig to 50 gig. Now, how do we locate these available packages? I taught you in the previous video, but for the sake of those watching this video for the first time, let's click on this icon here. This is the icon that you need to click on so that you can be able to see the available packages on the site. So you click on it like this. This is the next menu that you see. The first one you see here is the home. The home, you use it when you finish placing orders and you want to go back to the main store. Sometimes when you place orders, it is only that section that you open that will remain there. So let's say that you place orders between 1 gig to 5 gig and you want to go back to the main store. Is it that you click on store here, or you click on home? You click on the home and it will take you back to the store. All right, now we want to see the available packages, so let's click on the store. But before then, the site was recently updated, so now we have the AFA registration here, the contact us, the home button, everything here, but the AFA registration is not active yet. All right, so let's click on the store to see the available packages, because the aim of this video is to learn how you can be able to have access to the available packages and how to place orders here. All right, so we go. With a good internet connection, you should be able to have a nice menu like this. So this is the package section. So let's scroll and see the available packages. So you can read from here. This one is starting with the MTN, the 1 gig to 5 gig, from 6 gig to 15 gig, then to 50 gig, like that. Then when we scroll to the Airtel Tigo section 2. We have that one here, the 1 gig to 50 gig. Then we also have the 6 gig to 20 gig, and the last one that we have there is from 30 GB to 50 GB. So you check their working hours. On Sundays they work from 12 p.m. to 8 or 9 p.m. Alright, so these are the packages. This is what you do shortly to have access to the available packages without any stress and without any problem. Now let's look at how we can be able to place orders on the site here, because I saw many comments where people were asking how they can be able to place orders on the site after registering as an agent on the site. Alright, so let's click on this one. Let's assume that we want to buy 1 gig here. So you click on the button there. When you click on it with a good internet connection, with a reliable internet connection, you should be able to have this menu. So these are the packages under the 1 gig to 5 gig here. Now please note this: in our previous video, the first video in which I introduced the site to you, when you notice that the 1 gig here was 5 cedis, but recently the site was updated and the 1 gig was brought down to 4 cedis 80 pesos here. Then the 2 gig was brought down to 9 cedis 50 pesos. In fact, all the packages were reduced. The prices of the various packages were reduced, and it's just amazing. So now let's look at how we can place the orders here. So let's say that you want to buy 1 gig here. What you need to do is to click on this MTN logo. You click on the MTN logo, then a new menu will pop up for you. This is how it goes. So with a good internet connection, you should be able to have the next menu like this. You should be able to have this. When you have it like this, what you need to do next is to click on add to bag. Click on add to bag. Then you come to go to checkout. You click on it like that. I already have some order in the system, so let me use this opportunity to show you how you can be able to clear some orders in the system. Maybe you made some mistake and you want to clear the orders out of the bag, out of the cart. This is how you do it. So this particular drop down here, there is a drop down here, the quantity drop down. You click on the drop down here. So we want to remove this one. We want to remove the first order that we've placed here. So click on the drop down. When you click on it like that, you see the various quantities. Okay, so let's leave it. Let's come to this side. Click on this cross here, the X. You click on it like that. Then we take off one of the orders that we placed here. Now after taking it off, you can even decide to take all off at once. So let me do it so that we start afresh. Good. Some people also face this challenge. After clearing everything, they don't know what to do again. So what you need to do is to click on home. You click on home, it will take you to a different place like this. This way it will bring you. So let's start the process afresh. So you click on the 1 gig here. When you click on the 1 gig, then the same procedure that we were following before, I wanted to show that into you, is what we are going to follow again. So you click on add to bag. When you click on add to bag, then the next thing that you'll be required to do is to go to checkout. When you click on the checkout, then you have to enter your email address. You have to enter your email address. Without entering the email address, you can never place orders on the site. It will not go through. So let me just try something. You see, please enter your email address. Okay, let me enter the email address like that. That is my email address, the Jufros IT Services. Then let me try to check out and let's see. Please agree to terms and conditions. So after entering the email address, if you are not able to tick this box, you cannot move to the next step. It means you cannot place orders on the site. So let's tick the box there. I agree to terms and conditions. So right after that one, you click on checkout. When you click on the checkout, again with a good internet connection, you should be able to have a menu like this. You should be able to have this. any special request on your order, please pay attention to this side. This is another place that people always make mistakes. This is one of the most important places that you need to pay attention to. That is why I always tell you that don't skip any part of this video. Don't skip any part of our videos, so that you can be able to understand our lessons perfectly without any stress and without any problem. Now, this section, what we are supposed to do is that we need to indicate the number that we want to buy the data bundle for. Whether you want to buy for yourself or you want to buy for somebody, you have to indicate the number here. This is where you have to indicate it. So please, let's assume that I want to buy for this number. So I have to enter the number here, 0540620528. So I have the number there. Without entering the number, sometimes it won't go through. And sometimes you see some people writing, I need it right now. Some people write very urgent. Some people write very necessary. A whole lot of things that people sometimes write. Some people, they write some kind of things, when you see it, you laugh. Please, this place is not for funny things. This is where you indicate the number that you want to buy the data bundle for. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to go to payment. Let's click on this, go to payment, and let's see what is going to happen. When you click on the go to payment with the good internet connection, once again, you should be able to have the next menu that will be demanding for your payment method that you would like to use on the site. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification button for all. The reason why you need to turn on the notification button for all is that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be able to receive the notification. Then you can also have access to the video and learn any other new thing that the video is trying to reveal to you. Don't also be stingy. Share it with your friends and family members to also learn something new from us. Alright, so with a good internet connection, you should be able to have this menu popping up. So this is where you decide the kind of payment system that you want to use, the kind of payment method that you would like to use in the process of buying the data bundle. So now, use one of the payment methods below to pay for this 80% to Grace Company. So I want to use the mobile money because I don't have money on my card. So I want to use mobile money. The simplest one is the mobile money. So you click on the mobile money. Now, immediately you click on it, they will ask you to enter your mobile money number here to start the payment. So I'll enter my mobile money number here like this. After entering the mobile money, I have to confirm. So you click on confirm. Good. Right after clicking on the confirm, then the prompt will appear on your phone to make a payment of first this 80% to Grace Company. So what you need to do is to enter your mobile money pin code here. So let me quickly enter my own, then we continue with the lesson. Alright, now after entering it, you have to confirm, you have to approve. So you click on yes to approve it. Select one to approve it. So guys, this is how you place orders as a registered agent on the gracedata.company.site. So immediately you are done with your payment, a payment receipt will be sent to you from Paystack from the Grace Data Company as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lesson on how to register as a data bundle agent. If you are yet to register on the gracedata.company.site, then please, it's not late. Register on that website and begin to make your sales. Thank you very much. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.